Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the post-market analysis. Today is a Wednesday. It's June 5th, 2024. Right now it's pretty late, 11:40 p.m. So yesterday, the futures open initially is kind of looks kind of bearish, but it quickly was able to find a bottom here, and then from there it basically it moved up here and looks pretty strong. And it's just that later it seems like getting somewhat kind of volatile, and so by the morning, around the Asian market close, and it came back down to this this opening level yesterday. I believe it probably come back down a little bit as well. So but it's that's kind of like at the bottom. It come back to touch there, and basically kind of keep it going up. And indeed it went up a lot. As a matter of fact, that when market open, it gave up by 23 points. So after that, it come back, and to, if we look at this SPX side, it come back to fill the gap and touch the high of yesterday. After it filled the gap, and it basically just kind of keep it going up and without much kind of retrace. And so it's a really kind of surprising move, I would say. But I guess this is somewhat kind of probably the behavior for like a making new high, gapping up, and eventually it moved from the center here to the top here to the top here for like 41 points. So total is moving 60. Today is kind of moving like about 62, 63 points. That's a lot. So the closing definitely is very strong, and it pretty much it closed at the high of the market. And so right now the future market have been open for a couple of hours, and as we can see here, it's been pretty strong, and it's it seems like looking kind of positive. It's not super positive, but it looks pretty positive here. And we'll see kind of overnight whether it kind of going to go up more, and possibly it could go up more from here. As to tomorrow, so where we are going to go from here. So today is like so I would say from the weekly perspective, and it's already moved like 100, pretty much moved like 120 points. It's feel like it may be kind of at the end of the move, but who knows? It could going from here move on another another 40 points or 60 points. It's possible, and if another 40 points, it like 40 some points, it's like it will be going to 5400. I guess it's probably kind of rare that move straight up like that, and tomorrow likely going to take a break and have a somewhat kind of a retrace, and but it will be interesting to see that where the market going to want to close for Friday non-farm payroll release, and will it be come back to that the previous all-time high to close deal, and then waiting for the non-farm payroll release, and going either to like a 5400 or 5300. It's kind of would be interesting, or probably tomorrow going to be chop and then probably come back to close at today's closing level. Certainly there are full of like the possibilities tomorrow, and tomorrow tomorrow certainly it could, I would say tomorrow it could easily move like about 30 points, probably somewhere like a 28 30 point ish. So we shall see how that's going to play out. And in terms of calendar, so tomorrow let's see, that's a Wednesday. So Thursday is like the first one is at 7:30, Challenger job cuts, and then it's at 8:30 have trade data like balance of trades, exports, imports, also initial job list claims, and like those are kind of job data, and also non-farm productivity, labor unit costs. So all those are kind of pointing to the inflation. So we can imagine that could be pretty, it could be market moving as well. And 10:30 have the natural gas inventory, and then 11:30 have the treasury bill auctions, and 12 o'clock have mortgage rate data, and that's all the data for tomorrow. So tomorrow could be volatile, and so tomorrow it could become pretty volatile tomorrow, and I guess they want to find out. It would be interesting to see that where it's going to close for the non-farm payroll on Friday. So, but I would expect it more to be kind of a chopping, and I would think that, so based on today's close, 53, 54, and if we move another 30 points, that would be 53, 84 ish. So it could be like somewhere 53, 80 or 53, 75. That kind of a neighborhood. It could move as high as there. How it's going to move, and it would be interesting. But I'd love to see how it's going to unfold tomorrow. That's all I have to share, and wish you all the best. May the energy be with you all the time. Thank you.